Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, we are from Group 10. First, allow me to introduce the members of Group 10. My name is Ardelia Hafiza Efandi.
My name is Salwa Adelia Putri.
My name is Muznah Aliyah.
This video contains a study of 5 linguistic signs at Tebet Eco Park, analyzed through the perspective of pragmatics, semiotics, and linguistic landscape. The research explores the communicative function, symbol meaning, and social-cultural context of signs such as assembly point, community garden, non-recyclable rubbish bin, water playground, and infinity link bridge. And there is a relevance of this mini research linguistics project. First is urban planning. Shows how signs improve safety, inclusivity, and sustainability in public space. Second is community building. Encourage unity and shared responsibility. Third is environmental impact. Promotes awareness and eco-friendly behavior. The last one is research value. Offers a model for studying public signage in other urban areas.
Sample 1. Assembly point. A. Pragmatics. From a pragmatics perspective, the directive is aligned with the institution's purpose of showing the institution's responsibility to protect people in public space. B. Semiotic. 1. Denotation. The assembly point sign denotes a designated safe area where people should gather in case of an emergency such as a fire, earthquake, or other crisis. 2. Connotation. Safe and preparedness, community and unity, responsibility and order, trust in management. 3. Myth. Cultural myth. This sign reinforces the myth of organized safety in public space. It perpetuates the idea that modern urban environments are prepared for crisis and foster communal unity during emergencies. C. Linguistic landscape. This sign is made with aim of being a sign of the gathering place when a disaster occurs in a place. First, the use of Indonesian language on this sign is to make it easier for people to understand what is meant in the sign, because its placement in an area with the majority use Indonesian as a daily language. Second, the use of symbol or icons that show the location of the gathering point, such as image of people gathering. Third, the use of striking color, such as green, to indicate a safe location.
Sample 2. Community garden and forest buffer. A. Pragmatics analyze. Pragmatically, this term reflects the values of collaboration, sustainability, and community empowerment. Contextually, this sign is used in this discussion about urbanization, environment, or social development. B. Semiotics analyze. 1. Denotation. Community garden, a designed area where people collectively grow plants such as vegetables, fruits, and flowers. It is often maintained by members of the community and forest buffer. B. Forest buffer, a green area that serves as a barrier or transitional space between natural ecosystem like forests and developed areas. 2. Connotation. A community garden reflects the idea of shared responsibility and growth, both literally plants and socially community, and gas inclusivity and a nurturing environment. B. Forest buffer represent ecological preservation and balance, symbolizing the protection of urban areas from environmental degradation, suggests a peaceful, serene space for visitors while emphasizing the importance of maintaining a connection to nature. Cultural myth. represent the myth of harmony between humans and nature, emphasizing collective responsibility, shared growth, and environmental stewardship. Forest buffer reflects the myth of nature as a protective and restorative force, symbolizing ecological balance and the coexistence of urban life with natural ecosystem. See linguistic landscape analysis. Here are some of the elements contained in the sign. First, a clear sign with striking words, community garden, with the design that attract visitor attention. Second, the use of symbol or icon related to gardening to strengthen the message conveyed. Third, the use of an arrow on the word forest buffer indicates that the place is on the right.
Sample 3. Non-recyclable. A. Pragmatics. Pragmatically, this term is often used to encourage environmental responsibility for society. In context, this sign can usually be found on a trash can or product label for waste management guidance. B. Semiotics. First is denotation. The phrase of non-recyclable directly refers to waste items that cannot be processed or reused to create new materials. Second is connotation. The first point is non-recyclable. It subtly reminds park visitors of the importance of waste segregation and being environmentally conscious. The second point is responsibility. The label encourages users to think critically about what they discard and whether it can be recycled. And the last point is Eco Park values. The Tebet Eco Park likely promotes sustainability and environmental education. Third is cultural myth. This sign upholds the myth of ecological responsibility in urban society. By highlighting waste segregation, it perpetuates the belief in human accountability for environmental sustainability. The last one is linguistics landscape. In this context, a sign or label including that an item is non-recyclable would include first, the word of non-recyclable, written in large, clear letters for easy reading. Second, color and design. The use of a striking color such as red to attract attention and signify the importance of the information. Third, the use of a symbol to indicate that the item is not recyclable.
Sample 4. Water playground. A. Pragmatics. This sign can contain two elements, namely expressive speech act and assertive speech act. Based on expressive speech act, it expresses the attractiveness of a place or the pleasure associated with that place, while based on assertive speech act, this sign states a fact about the existence of a fish pond designed as a play area or interaction with water. B. Semiotics. 1. Denotation. The term water playground refers to a designated area with water feature where visitors, especially children, can interact with water safely. The pond filled with fish serves as a naturalistic water feature mimicking an ecosystem where aquatic life thrives. It combines reaction playground and nature pond with fish, creating an interactive, engaging environment. 2. Connotation. Connection with nature. The pond and its natural feel invite the visitor to appreciate and engage with nature. Educational aspect. It serves as a subtle learning space where visitors, especially children, can observe aquatic life and understand ecosystem, promoting environmental awareness. Reaction and relaxation. The term water playground evokes fun, leisure, and enjoyment. Harmony. The integration of water, fish, and natural aesthetics reflect that ecopark's goal of creating a harmonious coexistence between human and nature. 3. Myth. Cultural myth. The water playground reflects the myth of nature as a site of joy and learning. It portrays nature not just an aesthetic backdrop, but as an interactive educational partner in urban reaction. C. Linguistic landscape. This sign is made with the aim as a sign for a pond area filled with fish. Here are the elements contained in the sign. First, the use of striking colors to attract the attention of visitors, especially children. Second, there is a notice not to dive or play water in the area. Third, the use of icons that look like fountains to show that the area is an area with water.
Sample 5. Infinity Link Bridge. A. Pragmatics Analyze. This mark contains a descriptive speech act which describes a unique and innovative bridge design and is described as a long bridge. Pragmatically, this term is often used to draw attention to the beauty and architecture. Contextually, this sign is used in the promotion of tourism of a place. B. Semiotics Analyze. Denotation. The Infinity Link Bridge is a physical structure designed to connect different parts of the park. Its name suggests that the bridge might resemble the shape of an infinity symbol or evoke this concept of endless connectivity. As a function element, it serves as a pathway for visitors, facilitating movement and exploration across the park. 2. Connotation. Endlessness and continuity. The term infinity implies a sense of boundlessness, symbolizing the continuous flows of nature and life. Unity and connection. The bridge symbolizes the connection not only between the different parts of the park, but also between humans and nature. Symbol of sustainability. The infinity symbol often represents cycles, which aligns with ecological sustainability and the natural cycle of life, death, and renewal. Architectural. Beauty and innovation. If the sign mimics an infinity shape, it may also signify creativity, modernity, and combining functionality with aesthetic appeal. 3. Myth. The bridge symbolizes the myth of infinity, possibility, and unity and sustainability, showcasing seamless integration between humans, architecture, and nature. C. Linguistic landscape analyze. This sign is made with the aim as a sign to show that in the area there is a bridge that serves as a link with other areas. The following elements are contained in the sign. First, there's the word Selatan, which shows that there are several bridges around the area and are interconnected with each other. Second, the icon shape, like the number 8, reinforces the impression that the bridge seems to have no end.
D. Conclusion. The analysis of 5 signs at Tebet Eco Park shows how signage in urban public spaces serve multiple roles. Each sign serves a specific purpose, such as promoting safety, raising environmental awareness, encouraging community involvement, and offering recreational opportunities. The pragmatics analysis show that these signs are designed to guide and inform visitors. Semiotic interpretation reveal that the sign is carry both practical and symbolic meanings, highlight them like sustainability, unity, and ecological responsibility. And linguistic landscape perspective, the sign reflect the park's goal of balancing urban life with nature, promoting environmental awareness while ensuring accessibility for all visitors. That's all from our group. I'm sorry if there's a mistake or lack, and the last, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.